To start, ladies and gentlemen, allow me first to introduce to you the proud grandparents of the celebrant. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to none other than Lola Mitch and Mamita Irene. There they are, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause. Come over. Yes, show me what you got. Look at this. Dito po tayo, Mom and Sir Winker. Or Ma'am, wave your hands to everybody. Clap your hands to the proud grandparents here. Wow. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call award dedication ceremony. Child dedication is a beautiful tradition. Lights, camera, and action! Grabe, ang galing! Talagang damang-dama mo sa yung walang pera talaga. It will touch your heart. It will feel you heartbroken ka talaga, sir. Clap your hands, ladies and gentlemen, napakagaling naman ang ating first act. Ayan, nag-aaway yung dalawa. Okay, the next act will be the horror or the creepy one. Ma'am, ikaw na po, dito po. I will give you a hint. Imagine, takot na takot ka, wala kang pera. Imagine, okay, ganyan po yung act ninyo. Kailangan takot ka or parang hold the pin ka, ganun yung feeling na wala kang pera na takot. Okay, yung horror po, ayan. Imagine, ayan. Pumunta lang natin yung sa'yo, ma'am. Okay, takot na takot ka, yung interaction mo, okay? Okay, kaya mo yan, ma'am. Express lang po, ma'am. Okay, imagine, hindi mo nabayaran yung kumari mo, okay? Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, to our second act, Wala Akong Pera, the creepy one of the horror one. Clap your hands. Be tense or angry or let's say action star yung datingan. Galit na galit. Fierce. Okay? Yan sa kami talaga. Bagay na bagay. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, so our next act. Wala Akong Pera na galit. Ayan. Okay, get ready. Clap your hands. Natural emotion sa ating last participant. Sir, feel happy. Parang nababalik ka na wala kang pera. Kailangan tuwang-tuwa ka. Make it more happiness, okay? Sa mga supporter na ating last ating a round of applause, please. Ayan. Okay. Sir, get ready. Express, sir. Kahit huwag niyang basahin. Mabilis na po. Express na Wala Akong Pera. Okay? Get ready.
Thank you.